Alright, so what's on my mind today is what is up with these people going ham over these celebrities, man? Like it's killing me. And you know what? To name two specifically where they fan bases are just like rabid, I'm gonna say Beyonce and Wayne. Starting on Beyonce, okay, look, she can sell records. She can market herself. You know what I'm saying? She's a good performer. And some of her songs are cool. But man, like the whole Beyonce pregnant thing just drove me nuts because I would see people like congratulating her and saying stuff like, well, you know, Beyonce had kids and then she got wait, sorry, scratch that. She got married, then she had kids, you know, and I'm and like she ain't the first female to do that. You know what I'm saying? Women been doing that for like ages, So how are y'all just throwing all these heaps and praises on this woman? Another thing that kills me is, look, just because somebody don't like a particular person or don't think they all that, it's not hating. If I say, hey, I don't like Beyonce's new album, you don't call me a hater. I'm not hating, because you know what I'm saying? Really, to be perfectly honest, you can't really be hating on somebody unless you want to be in their shoes. You know what I'm saying? And I don't mean to have their money. I mean you want to be in a position where you want to be a performer or, you know what I'm saying, artist. Then you can be hating. Otherwise, it's just, it's criticism. That's what you call it. It's criticism. You know what I'm saying? And then, that's all I had to say about Beyonce. Just get off her jock, man. She ain't the first female to have a kid, and she ain't gonna be the last. Like a bitch had a baby 2 seconds after the bitch announced that she was pregnant. You know what I'm saying? This shit happens, Stop giving her praises for some natural stuff, man. That's crazy. Don't do that. It's nuts. And then another thing is Wayne. Let's talk about Wayne. Okay, look, I'm gonna say it like this. I got the Carter 4, and I've heard every single track on it. I've listened to the album like 3 times. I like 3 songs on that album, and that's it. Now, I ain't saying, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna say the album's garbage. I'm gonna say it's subpar. I'm gonna say it's probably one of his worst albums in a long time. It ain't better than none of the other Carters, you know what I'm saying? So him selling 1 million records in a week don't mean shit to me. That just means he got a whole bunch of people that's on his nuts, in which he does. Come on now. How many men can kiss another man on the mouth, give some whack-ass excuse for it and say, oh, it was a mafia thing or showing love. Man, look, I love my daddy to death. You know what I'm saying? He ain't even my biological father, but he the only father I know. He been there. You know what I'm saying? And I don't see myself kissing this man on lips, man. It baffles me how people defended it. And then on top of that, dude goes into the award shows on national television, on a cable network, and wears women's clothing. What? Like, can you imagine the kind of firestorm that would happen if Jay or Kanye was to hop on the VMAs or the BET Awards and they can have on some damn jeggings for real? Man, they'd be ready to call them dudes gay so quick. They'd be, trying to hypothesize they was messing around in the backstage or something together. You know what I'm saying? So don't defend this dude when he get on stage wearing some women's clothing. Man, look, it's not cool, man. A straight man does not wear women's clothing. Like, seriously, because it wasn't like a joke or a prank or anything. Nigga was dead serious wearing these clothes, man. You know what I'm saying? And what I heard was, on top of it, they don't make them for men, period, man. The exact design and everything, they don't make them for men. They make them for women. This nigga got them in a large enough size to where he could sag in them a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Man, that's straight homo to me. I don't care what you say. You could be a fan of him, you like his music. That nigga gay to me. In my mind, Wayne's gay. And if he ain't gay, he bisexual. Or he bisexual leaning towards gay. I mean, let's be honest. Just because you got a van of groupies, you know what I'm saying? That don't mean you messing with them. You know what? Wait, let me take that back. You can be homosexual and still have sex with women. You know what I'm saying? That you can do. It's all about whether you enjoy having sex with them women that makes you gay or not. You know what I'm saying? So, that's the thing about it. So, basically, man, just to summarize it, look, you can be a fan of somebody's stuff. You know what I'm saying? They art and they craft. You can do that. You can be a fan of some of their opinions. But don't defend them as if they defend you in the same position. You know what I'm saying? Like, all these women were like, oh, congratulations, Beyonce, happy birthday. Look, she would never wish you happy birthday, yo. Even if she see you in person, she'd wish you happy birthday and then forgot that she wished you happy birthday 2 seconds later. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, stop claiming Wayne as your baby daddy. He got like 50,000 baby mamas as it is and like 20,000 kids, yo. If he, you know, if he messed around and got you pregnant or something, deuces, you ain't famous, you ain't nobody, he gone. You know what I'm saying? You pretty much better sue that nigga for child support or something, because he ain't sticking around, you know, out of will. So I'm just saying, man, be a fan of their craft. Be a fan of their music if you want to. If you like it, you know, be a fan of some of their opinions. But don't defend celebrities like they do the same for you, man. It's like stupid, man. It's just stupid. And it's pretty much counterproductive to your own existence, man. So that's all I want to get off my chest, man. Just calm down on going crazy over these celebrities, man, because they don't give a fuck about you, man. All you is to them is a number, yo. You buy their album and, you know, walk out the store, nigga, they happy for that, you know, for you buying them albums. They don't give a fuck about you personally. So just get that through your head, man. That's all I'm saying.